Welcome all students. Today we are going to learn all problems in a practice set 3.2. आज आपण वर्तुळ या प्रकरणामध्ये प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.2 यामधील सर्व प्रॉब्लेम पाहणार आहोत. First problem in a practice set 3.2. Two circles having 3.5 centimeter and 4.8 centimeter touch each other internally. Find distance between their center. Meaning of this problem. आंतरस्पर्शीय दोन वर्तुळांच्या त्रिज्या 3.5 सेंटीमीटर आणि 4.8 सेंटीमीटर आहेत. तर त्या वर्तुळाच्या केंद्रामधील अंतर किती? Solution of this problem. When two circles are touching each other internally, given in a problem. दोन वर्तुळे अंतःस्पर्शी वर्तुळे आहेत. We know that the distance between the center of circle touching internally is equal to the difference of their radii. जेव्हा दोन वर्तुळे अंतःस्पर्शी वर्तुळे असतात तेव्हा त्यांच्या केंद्रामधील अंतर म्हणजे त्यांच्या त्रिज्येमधील फरक होय. Let here in this problem given radii of two circle. We have to consider R1 is equal to 4.8 centimeter and R2 is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Therefore, distance between their radii is equal to R1 minus R2. The greater radius subtract to smaller radius. Therefore, R1 minus R2. Distance between their radii. Substitute the value. R1 is equal to 4.8 minus 3.5 is equal to 1.3 centimeter. This is the distance between their center is 1.3 centimeter. Second problem. Two circle of radii 5.5 centimeter and 4.2 centimeter touch each other externally. Find the distance between their center. दोन वर्तुळे बाह्यस्पर्शी वर्तुळे आहेत. त्यांच्या त्रिज्या 5.5 सेंटीमीटर आणि 4.2 सेंटीमीटर आहेत. तर त्यांच्या केंद्रातील अंतर किती? Solution of this problem. When two circles are touching each other externally, therefore the distance between the center of circle touching externally is equal to sum of their radii. दोन वर्तुळे बाह्यस्पर्शी वर्तुळे असतील तर त्या दोन वर्तुळाच्या केंद्रातील अंतर म्हणजे त्या दोन वर्तुळाच्या त्रिज्येची बेरीज होय. Hence, let R1 is equal to 5.5 centimeter and R2 is equal to 4.2 centimeter radii given of two circle. Distance between their radii is equal to sum of their radii R1 plus R2. Substitute the value. 5.5 plus 4.2 is equal to 9.7 centimeter. Hence, distance between their center is 9.7 centimeter. Problem number 3. Third problem. If radii of two circles are 4 centimeter and 2.8 centimeter, draw figure of the circle touching each other, first externally and second internally. Put your compass, take your compass and scale. First, to draw a circle touching each other externally. Step of construction. First step for to draw the figure of two circles touching externally. बाह्यस्पर्शी दोन वर्तुळांच्या त्रिज्या दिलेल्या आहेत. ती फिगर आपल्याला रचना करायची आहे, फिगर काढायची आहे. फर्स्ट स्टेप, ड्रॉ अ सर्कल विथ रेडियस 4 cm and center A. Take your compass. With the help of scale, take a radius 4 cm in your compass with center A. To draw a circle, this with center A of radius 4 cm. Second step, draw another circle with radius 2.8 cm and center B. They touch each other externally. Take your compass with radius 2.8 cm with center B. This. Therefore, this figure is the externally touching circle with center A and B of radii 4 cm and 2.8 cm respectively. This is the construction of touching circle externally to each other. Second, internally touching circle. First step, to construct the touching circle internally. First, draw a circle with radius 4 cm with center A. This is a center A of radius 4 cm. Then second step, to draw another circle with radius 2.8 cm with center B. They touch each other internally. In this way, take a center B of radius 2.8 cm to draw a circle. This figure is the touching circle each other internally. Draw these two figures. Problem number 4. In figure, the circle with center P and Q touch each other at point R. A line passing through R meets the circle at A and B respectively. To prove that, number 1, segment AP is a parallel to segment BQ. Number 2, triangle APR similar triangle RQB. And number 3, find angle RQB if angle PAR is equal to 35 degree. Meaning of this problem, P आणि Q केंद्र असलेले वर्तुळे एकमेकांना बिंदू R मध्ये बाह्यस्पर्शी आहेत. A line passing through R meet the circle at A and B respectively. जर स्पर्शबिंदू R मधून रेषा काढली तर ती वर्तुळांना A आणि B बिंदूमध्ये छेदते. तर सिद्ध करा. नंबर 1, segment AP is a parallel to segment BQ. Second, triangle APR similar triangle RQB. And third one, if angle PAR is equal to 35 degree, then find angle RQB. Solution of this problem. Number 1, to prove that segment AP is a parallel segment BQ. In a triangle APR, in this triangle AP and PR are radii of same circle. Therefore, segment AP is a congruent segment PR. Why? Radii of same circle. Therefore, angle PAR is a congruent angle PRA Phi, the opposite angle of congruent side. एकरूप बाजू समोरील कोन एकरूप असतात. Segment AP is a congruent segment PR. Therefore, the opposite angle of AP is angle PAR, congruent angle. Opposite angle of side PR is the angle PRA. Therefore, angle PAR, congruent angle PRA, opposite angle of congruent side. Similarly, in a triangle BQR, segment QR is a congruent segment BQ by radii of same circle. In this figure, in a circle with center Q, QR is congruent QB. एकाच वर्तुळाच्या त्रिज्या आहेत. Therefore, the opposite angle of congruent side are congruent. Therefore, angle QRB is a congruent angle QBR. Hence, in these two triangle, angle ARP is a congruent angle BRQ. Why? The vertically opposite angle. हे दोन कोण विरुद्ध कोण आहेत. विरुद्ध कोण एकरूप असतात. From equation 1, 2 and 3. Therefore, angle PAR is a congruent angle QBR. समीकरण 1, 2 आणि 3 वरून समीकरण 1 मध्ये अँगल PAR आहे. अँगल PRA हा समीकरण 3 मध्ये कॉन्ग्रुएंट आहे आणि म्हणून अँगल PAR इज इक्वल टू अँगल QBR होईल. आणि therefore from equation 1, 2 and 3 angle PAR is a congruent angle QBR. Show in this figure this angle PAR is a congruent angle QBR. When two lines are parallel and their transversal intersect to each other, their corresponding side are congruent, alternate angle are congruent, and interior angle are supplementary. By using their corresponding angle test, when two corresponding angle are congruent, then two lines are parallel to each other. Therefore, segment AP is a parallel to segment QB by using corresponding angle test. Hence, prove first segment AP is a parallel to segment BQ. Second, triangle APR similar triangle RQB. Why to prove that? Solution of this: in a triangle APR and triangle BQR. This is a triangle APR and in triangle BQR. In these two triangle in a figure. Therefore, angle ARP is a congruent angle QRB, vertically opposite angle. Angle PAR is a congruent angle QBR. It is a corresponding angle. Where to prove? In a first. Therefore, by using corresponding vertices of two triangle, APR is a corresponding vertices RQB. These two triangles are similar. Triangle APR similar triangle BQR by using AA test of similarity of two triangle. When two angle of one triangle is congruent to the corresponding two angle of other triangle, then such two triangles are similar by AA test. Therefore, triangle APR is a similar triangle BQR by AA test. And number 3, if angle PAR is equal to 35 degree, to find angle RQB. Solution of this third: angle PAR is equal to 35 degree. It is given. Then angle PAR is a congruent angle QBR. It is a corresponding angle are congruent, therefore angle QBR is equal to 35 degree. Then to find angle RQB, therefore in a triangle QRB is a congruent angle QBR, the opposite angle of congruent side. एकरूप बाजू समोरचे हे दोन कोण एकरूप आहेत म्हणून ते 35 डिग्री होतील. आता त्रिकोण RQB मध्ये in a triangle RQB or QBR, sum of all angle of triangle is 180 degree. By using this concept, then sum of all angle in a triangle QRB, angle QRB plus angle QBR plus angle RQB is equal to 180 degree in a triangle QBR. Therefore, angle QRB is equal to 35 plus angle QBR is equal to 35 plus angle RQB is equal to 180 degree. Then 35 plus 35 is equal to 70. Plus 70 goes on RHS side, then you get minus. Therefore, angle RQB is equal to 180 minus 70 is equal to 110 degree. (35 plus 35 is equal to 70 plus angle RQB is equal to 180 degree. 70 goes on RHS side, then you get minus. Angle RQB is equal to 180 minus 70 is equal to 110. Therefore, measure of angle RQB is equal to 110 degree. Problem number 5. In a figure, the circle with center A and B touch each other at point E. Line is common tangent which touches the circle at point C and D respectively. Find the length of segment CD if the radii of the circle are 4 cm and 6 cm. This is the given figure. आकृतीमध्ये ए आणि बी केंद्र असलेले वर्तुळे एकमेकांना ई बिंदू मध्ये स्पर्श करतात. CD ही दोन्ही वर्तुळाची कॉमन टँजेंट आहे. ती ए केंद्र असलेल्या वर्तुळाला सी मध्ये आणि बी केंद्र असलेल्या वर्तुळाला डी मध्ये स्पर्श करते. The length of segment CD of radii of the circle are 4 cm and 6 cm. या दोन्ही वर्तुळाच्या त्रिज्या दिलेल्या आहेत 4 cm आणि 6 cm. तर to find the length of CD, CD ची लांबी काढायची आहे. First you understand. This is a given figure. In figure, two circles with center A and B touches each other externally. एकमेकांना बाह्यस्पर्शीय बिंदू ए आणि बी केंद्र असलेली वर्तुळे आहेत. If circle touch each other externally, distance between their center is equal to sum of their radii. जेव्हा दोन वर्तुळे बाह्यस्पर्शी असतात तेव्हा त्यांच्या केंद्रामधील अंतर म्हणजे त्या दोन वर्तुळाच्या त्रिज्येची बेरीज होय. Therefore, this is the center between distance between center of two circle AB. Therefore, AB is equal to AE plus EB. AE is equal to 4 plus BE is equal to 6 is equal to 10. Therefore, distance AB is equal to 10. In figure, joint segment AC and segment BD and segment BC and segment AD. In this figure, joint segment AC, joint segment BC, joint segment AD and joint segment BD. In a triangle A, B and C. In this triangle, angle BAC is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, triangle BAC is a right angle triangle. By using Pythagoras theorem in a triangle BAC. Therefore, BAC hypotenuse is a BC. BC square is equal to AC square plus AB square. Substitute the value. AC is equal to 4 centimeter is a radius of circle with center A, and AB is equal to 10 centimeter. Therefore, BC square is equal to 4 square plus 10 square. 4 square is a 16 plus 10 square is a 100. 16 plus 100 is equal to 116. Therefore, taking square root, BC is equal to in square root 116 unit. In a triangle BDC, this is a triangle BDC. In this triangle, angle BDC is equal to 90 degree because radius and tangent form 90 degree angle at the point of contact by using tangent radius. In a triangle BDC, angle BDC is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, again by using Pythagoras theorem, in a triangle BDC, hypotenuse is a BC. BC square is equal to DC square plus BD square. Here BC square is equal to 116 is equal to DC square plus BD is equal to 6 is a radius of circle with center B. There is equal to DC square plus 36. 36 goes down LHS side, then we get minus. DC square is equal to 116 minus 36 is equal to 80. Then 80 is a multiply, the factor 16 multiply 5. Taking square root on both sides, then we get DC is equal to square root 16 multiply 5. Square root of 60 is a 4. 4 root 5 is the length of segment DC. This is the answer. CD is equal to 4 root 5. Take a problem for homework. From point Q, the length of the tangent to circle is 24 centimeter and the distance of Q from the center is 25 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle. In this figure, PQ is a tangent segment is equal to 24 centimeter and distance from center O to Q is a 25 centimeter. Therefore, OP is a radius. To find the distance of OP, in a triangle OPQ, angle P is a 90 degree. By using Pythagoras theorem, to find the length of radius OP. Best of luck. यशस्वी होण्यासाठी सोमनाथ गीते मॅथ एक्सपर्ट या चॅनलवरील YouTube व्हिडिओ पहा आणि सबस्क्राईब करा. तुमच्या कर्तृत्वान यशस्वी हाताने सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. थँक यू.